Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel once again with another new vlog. This is vlog 53. So in this vlog we are going to discuss regarding all about architects. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep supporting me and let's get started with today's video. So guys, let me tell you that firstly it is a fully automated biochemistry hormones analyzer with multiple processing samples, that is large load capacity with maximum up to 100 tests per hour. Okay friends, so this is a biochemistry and hormone analyzer with a large capacity. Okay, next moving on to the second point, that the sample type which the machine will accept is serum, plasma, whole blood and also urine. Okay, next is this machine will also accept the sample cups. If you will not keep the vacuum directly, you can also separate the plasma, the serum, the urine and also the whole blood in a cup, and the machine will also accept it while you order it manually rather than you will run with the barcode. Actually machine will be running with the barcode and also with the manual entry. So if you are transferring the sample in the sample cup, you can the machine will accept that kind of sample sample cup also. Okay, next moving on to the next one is automatic dilution is yes. So in this machine we have the automatic dilution option, that some of the samples, if the readings are high, we can also order it as a dilution, like 1:2 dilution and 1:50 dilution. So normally it is accepting this kind of dilution sample also. So the dilution is also automatic in this machine. So guys, as you can see, this is the architect machine. Okay, this is the full automated, this is the hormone side and this is the biochemistry side. Okay, this whole includes biochemistry side, this is hormone. So this both includes the whole architecture machine. Okay, and this is fully automated. Next moving on to this one, this is the chemistry part. Here we have two, one is open and the other button is for the rotate. If you open, the machine will open here on the chemistry side, and these are all the reagents which you can see, okay, for the chemistry. And if you want to rotate, just you can rotate and you can replace the reagents when they are empty. Okay, these are all the chemistry side of reagents. Okay friends, I think now you are done with the chemistry part. Now you can close it and this is done. Okay, now going to the hormone part. This is the hormone part. The reagents is different of from biochemistry to hormones. Hormones, the reagents are like in this form. Okay, and this is how we are gonna put it. We are loading the reagent for hormones like this, and for the hormones we don't need to off the machine, and for chemistry we need to off the machine to change the reagent. As you can see here, the hormones or hormone reagents, they are getting scanned by the scanner through the machine. This is the sample holder. So guys, now you can see the sample, it will the reagent for the hormones, it will go inside. As you can see, it will take like 2 to 3 seconds to open the hormone section, the reagent section. Here as you can see, here we have loaded all the reagents inside, so the reagent will enter here like in this form. Okay, then the holder, it will be come back to its normal position. Okay, so this is how, and this one is the biochemistry reagents and these are your hormones reagents. Guys, this is how they look. I'm just looking, and here this is the RV session where we are loading the RVs, that is reaction vessels. As I already told, reaction vessels, they are used to mix the sample and the reagents inside the inside this machine. And here we can update the RV supplies. Okay, here now you can check, we have only 84 remaining. These are the sample cups guys, and these are the sample trays. Okay, we have the number of trays here as we can load, and this is how we are keeping the sample in the vacuum. If you keep the cup, this is how you will keep the cup in the rack, and you will process the sample while you are processing the sample in the cup. This is how the sample holder it will take now. It will take again to the scanner. Here it will scan. Okay, now as this is my biochemistry sample, it will be processed here in the biochemistry session. Okay, now you can see we have the three different kinds of probes. As you know, just now I have shown you the biochemistry reagents. Always we have R1 and R2, the code of the biochemistry reagents for every biochemistry reagent, R1 and R2. So here you can see the probes. You can see the probes here. Probes are nothing but a kind of this one. Okay, this one is the probes from where the sample will get aspirated. Okay, the machine will aspirate the sample from the probes only. So here we have the sample probe R1 and R2 probe. Okay, this is how the machine will take the samples, and this is how the machine will operate the samples with that of the specific reagents which we have already ordered it on the system. This is the R1 probe, this is the R2 probe, and this is the sample probe. So at the time if the machine wants sample, it will take the sample from the sample probe. So we have three different kinds of probes in the biochemistry to process the sample. Okay friends, so it will take like few minutes for all the arrangements. The machine will arrange it by itself. If it wants sample or R1 reagent or R2 reagent, it will take. And this is how the process will begin. As you can see how the probe, and this for probe also friends, the probe it should be very good, and make sure that whenever you keep the sample here in the machine, it should not have fibrinogen. I have already discussed regarding this fibrinogen in my stories on Insta. If you follow me on Insta, you can see that. So if you have fibrinogen, the probe cannot aspirate the serum from that. So it's better always check your serum should be clearly visible without any fibrinogen. Okay, even if not, if this probe can also be get spoiled or destroy, so it will give you the machine can give you a problem if the probe get harmed, or it get destroyed, or it get something affected from the fibrinogen or something. So this is how the sample, now the machine will take the sample rack and it will put it back here in the see. Now if it is orange light, it means the sample is going on. If it is now the green light, it indicates you that the process of the sample has been done. Okay, this is how you can indicate. The orange light means still the process is ongoing, and if it is green light, it's an indication that the process has been done. So now you can remove the rack. Okay, this is how. And this is now you are seeing this one is for the hormone machines. For hormone machines, this is the probe. Okay, and for hormone machines we are using the RVs to mix with this one. Here the probe will work. Now you can see first the machine will set itself, then here it will aspirate the sample from the probe. And for this probe, both in the biochemistry and hormones, we have a probe cleaning solution also, which we need to give it to make the probe work smoothly. It's like a lubricant to the probe. Okay, now it will collect the sample from the sample cup. Okay, this is how the probe will aspirate the sample. After that, the machine will take back the probe and again it will put it back there. It will give you green light. Now this indicates that the sample has been processed. Now you can remove the sample from the rack. Okay, this is hormone part. Just now we discussed regarding the biochemistry part. Okay friends, this is how the probes and everything there will correct the reagents. They will mix the reagents in the RVs, that is reaction vessels, and that is how the solid waste it will give. Now we'll go for the list of supplies here. What are the supplies? This is the buffer. Okay, we are using, that is a solid waste. Here we have pre-trigger and trigger. These are all we will be using in the machine. And here also we have some solution. This is ICT solution which will be used by the machine itself for the chemistry purpose. ICT solution, acid wash and alkaline wash. These are the wash which we will be using in the biochemistry side. Okay, this is about the supplies, list of supplies which we will use. Here you can see it on the system: ICT wash, alkaline wash. The one which we have seen there, it will be we can see this one in on the screen in this type. This means they are already full. If the green line, if the bottle is empty, it will be like white color. If not, green will be full color. Now you can see the update of supplies and everything. You can do it from here, from the system. We have module 1 and module 2. Module 1 will be for chemistry, and module 2 will be for hormones. And for hormones, solid waste, just now I have said liquid waste, and RVs, wash buffer, trigger and pre-trigger. These are for the module 2. Okay friend, this will appear it on your screen like this when you connect with the machine. Here you can update the supplies, update supplies, whatever the supply you want to update, like wash buffer, trigger, pre-trigger, RVs. You can just click on and then you can add. Done. Okay, now here this is how the machine works. 3 means running. Okay, 3 columns should be in a running position. The running first one there, it is nothing but the this one, the rack one, sample holder. Okay, this will be for the sample holder, and the next one is for the chemistry one, and the next one will be for the hormone one. Okay, it will show all the number of reagents, how many reagents are present in the hormone side and chemistry side. Everything will be affect on the screen, and 3 columns also should be in a running position. It means the machine is ready to run your sample. And the first column is for the sample holder. Okay, it also should be working free easily, so that it will carry the hormones to scan, then to the machine where the samples get aspirated, and again it will get back the samples to the same position where you have put. This is how the sample holder will work. Okay, now coming to the next one, this is the LJ chart. This is the LJ chart which you are seeing. We are using it for the quality control purpose. We are seeing the controls for the machines. This is how on the screen, it when you click on the QC calibration, this is how it looks. From here you can select LG chart, everything. As you can see, these are the orders. These are all the tests which we have available in the system. From now, here you can manually select the test and you can run on the machine. These are the reagents we have. You can see the how many types of reagent we have and in which position we have. Okay, so this is regarding your all about architect. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.